Hi, my name is Nick. This tutorial will demonstrate how easy it is to accomplish some real-world programming goals with a flexible and powerful language called Rebel. This tutorial aims to teach average computer users to program computers to do useful things without the long and difficult learning curve imposed by other programming languages. If you're an experienced coder, you'll be amazed at Rebel's compact code and simple cross-platform usability. This tutorial closely follows the web tutorial found at this address, http://musiclessons.com/rebel_tutorial.html. You probably want to get that out and go to it while you're watching this video so that you can follow along. To start out, you're going to need to get the Rebel interpreter. It's free and it's available at the link here. You can also click on download. Just go directly to rebel.com, click on downloads, and then click on Rebel View, download view.exe. Put that somewhere on your computer where you can find it, on your desktop. And when you've got it, run it on Windows Vista. You may have to run it as administrator. You can install it or not. It's easier to do everything if you do install it. You can accept all the defaults. You can add icons if you want or not. And that'll bring you to the Rebel view top. To type in some code, click on the console icon. We'll get rid of that later, but for now just click on the console icon and type in your very first program. We're going to do a hello world by typing in alert, quotes, and then text hello world. And it'll pop up a little Rebel dialog saying hello. You can click OK to make it go away. Next, on the web page, there are some other short examples that demonstrate how you can do some things in Rebel that are useful. You can copy and paste those directly into the Rebel program. And there's one, for example, that will actually let you edit and download, edit, and resave a file on a website. A couple more here that really demonstrate how small most Rebel scripts can be to do some useful things. This is a little sliding tile game, classic sliding tile game, and that entire program is in that little text file. Rebel can do many other things really well. There's a small downloadable zip file that you can grab just to demonstrate some of the examples that are in this tutorial. All of the code in these programs is included in this tutorial. The tutorial is about 300 pages long, and it shows you a few of the things that you'll see as you go through the tutorial. You'll see a lot more having to do with graphics. You'll see a lot having to do with text processing, running programs on your website scripts, that sort of thing. This is a little image viewer that'll show you some video on the web of an actual webcam. It's very small, smaller than a page program. Here's a little program that demonstrates a 3D module that's created entirely in Rebel. No external code or any other modules are needed. This is all done right in Rebel. No OpenGL or any other requirements. This runs on all the platforms that Rebel supports. Rebel's fantastic at dealing with data. There's a little program here that lets you input and store and manage data. Rebel's also really great at dealing with any sort of networking types of applications. It's got everything that you need built in as far as networking is concerned. This little program is a a chat program that you can use in conjunction with your website without having to install anything on your website. Multi-user chat. Really, Rebel is good at doing just about everything you can imagine doing on a computer. There are tons of other little examples here. This is a guitar chord diagram maker that lets you build diagrams for guitarists to show how to play certain chords. In this program you can save the diagrams, upload them to a website, print them out, do other useful things with these little sliding pieces. There are other examples. There's an instant messenger, a little email client. There's some games, and really a variety of other things that you'd expect to be able to do with a computer. And Rebel makes it easy. Within a couple weeks, just going through this tutorial, you'll understand how to do most of the things you could ever want to do with your computer.